Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm here today with another tutorial for you. It's the Freetress Soft Baby Curls Crochet Braids. As you can see, my hair is pretty grown out since the last time that I did it, but that won't be a problem because I'm just going to be doing these braids straight back. I'm not really focused too much on how these braids look because they will be hidden underneath the crochet hair. I'm just really focused on making sure that my parts line up to where I want my hair to be separated once completed. As you can see, I do go through these parts with coconut oil. The brand that I do use is from Trader Joe's. It's organic and I find that it helps my hair feel really slick. I'll now show you the first two braids that I'll complete. And after that, I will explain to you how many cornrows I do and also where they are parted so you can see where my natural parts will be once the crochet braids is installed. Once I'm done parting the hair, I like to go through and apply shine and jam. I love to do this because it helps me to leave out a little bit of my edges, and it also just creates for a really neat look at the end once all of the crochet is installed in. Alright, so this is the completed braid pattern. As you can see, I have exactly 8 braids in my hair. And what I like to do is to secure the back, I like to crisscross them. And once I've crisscrossed it, I like to sew it like so. I'll now begin installing the soft baby curl crochet hair using my trusted latch hook. I'll also begin at the front so you can see how I begin my installation, and then I will also move to the back and we'll touch back in when I'm closer to the front. closer to the front, I like to install the hair using the invisible part method. When I do this, it makes the hair look very natural at the front, and it also allows me to be able to part the hair in multiple ways without exposing the crochet that's sitting on top of the braid. Alright, so now that I'm closer to the front, I like to install the pieces a little smaller, just to give it a bit more of a natural look. Yeah, so this is pretty much the look. I don't need to add any more hair. I'm just going to show you how the style looks fully around. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please drop a note below, and if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you.